guys, this is Creeper, and I just wanted to apologize for, not making that many videos so far, and, only having maybe 3 posted out of 6. We made about 6 videos, and I never got the chance to really post the other 3. We haven't exactly had time to make that many videos because of work and school, not really living together or close to each other. Around December, I know that me and Amidra will be living together and will be closer to Dove. But until then, videos and all this other stuff will be kind of hard to fit in. And, I'm very happy with the amount of subscribers that we got so far. We weren't exactly expecting to get any subscribers because, our other channels, our cosplay channels and everything, only got 15 maybe. That's pretty much it, and I don't have anything else to say. Because normally Amidra or Dove will jump in and say something. But, of course, as you can see, I kind of cut off all of my hair because I didn't exactly like it. And so I'm going to have to edit our profile picture. If you want to leave any comments or anything like that, like how we should do it, or any previous challenges that you want us to do, you can go ahead and comment below. I'm going to see if I can get our Facebook from Dove and our Instagram from Amidra to put in the comments below as well. And later on in the future, we will probably add gaming to our channel and do group gaming and stuff like that, so that should be fun. Anyways guys, this was Creeper from If We Were Guys.